Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the phone is using your home carrier. The R means roaming. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet or Connections, because we want to stop the phone from registering as roaming. You disable data roaming and switch network mode to automatic. Make sure airplane mode is off, then toggle mobile data off and on to force a new registration. These first actions prevent the device from seeking foreign networks and remove the roaming indicator. Next, you control how the phone registers. Go to Mobile Network Operators and select Search Networks, then choose Automatic so the carrier is preferred. If Automatic keeps picking a foreign signal, pick your home carrier manually to force reattach. Also set preferred network type to the native option, usually LTE or 3G, because mismatched types can push roaming. If available, refresh carrier settings or download the carrier profile. Since the phone needs correct APN and operator ID, to finish, you restart the phone so changes fully apply. If nothing clears the R, power down and reinsert the SIM to force a fresh registration. If the symbol persists, contact your carrier and ask them to check provisioning and network registration. Sometimes they must reset your service. If advised, test the SIM in another unlocked phone to confirm whether it's the SIM or the handset. One troubleshooting tip: if the SIM works elsewhere, reset network settings on your device before a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.